from here for your beautiful place. Wow. Wow, wow. It's so peaceful, nice. Today I just want to see everything over here myself, you know. I just want to see everything over here myself, you know. What a nice moment. Just watch it yourself, man. Well guided. Wow. And don't forget, this is Dambai for you. This is how they cross to the other side of the uh, river. So when they move, they are going far, far to the other side you are seeing over there. And people also have their own boats that they use to, cross the river. And I'm just enjoying everything over here. It's quite good for you to see the beauty of, wow, this is good, this is good, this is good. This is good for you to see. Then Dambai Township, what a beautiful moment. Wow. Wow. I'm just super excited at least to experience this one over here in Dambai. So there's a river. Just watch it, man. The Oti River. Then you see our motorbike just cracking out. We just step up and down. Wow. Wow. And today is market day, so everybody is just running, and it's getting late. I think they will be the second to last moving of the ferry. So everybody wants to try and enter. So where are you watching us from? This is down by Oti region. It's a lovely place for you also to come here and experience. What a beautiful place. What a nice place. So don't forget to also come here if only you have not joined this before. I'll be joining it soon and I'll be moving towards Tamale. So it's good for you to also come here and enjoy and make the beautiful talk with nature where you get to interact with the river. Oh, I just love everything. I just love everything over here. Wow. This is so perfect.